The Call 7 investigators on top of new developments in a lawsuit in the Chandler Graffner case. He's the 7-year-old who was starved to death in a closet in 2007. Well, Call 7 investigator John Ferrugia first uncovered mistakes and incompetencies in the Denver Department of Human Services in this case, and it looks like a federal judge has come to the same conclusions, John?
That's right, Anna. In a civil suit filed against the two administrators of the Denver Department of Human Services, federal judge William Martinez called their failure to act to help the child shocking. The judge said Chandler might have been saved, but for the two administrators involved in the case, he said the two Human Services employees, Mary Booker and Margaret Piegler, had reason to know the child was being abused and did not investigate.
Ms. Piegler, I'm John Ferrugia from over at Channel 7.
For months after Chandler Graffner's death, the Denver Department of Human Services refused to give us answers, so we confronted Mary Piegler in 2008. She was the supervisor in charge of cases in which 3 children had died.
I'd like to know if you might talk with me just for a second.
Piegler wouldn't talk, but the department put her on leave the next day. Chandler's biological father told me by phone today that by allowing the lawsuit to go forward against Piegler and Booker, the judge was sending a message.
These people are responsible for the lives of children. You're expected to do more than just the minimum requirement. This is going to show people that if you don't do what you're supposed to do or what you said as a person you were going to do, there's going to be consequences.
But so far, both Mary Piegler and Margaret Booker remain at the Denver Department of Human Services, and they are supervisors. Booker making decisions about foster kids and adoption, while Piegler is in charge of training intern caseworkers. In a written statement today, Ann, the department did not address the case or why they are still employed.
Wow, fascinating. All right, John, thank you. Now, if you have a tip for John or any of our Call 7 investigators, you can reach them by calling 303-327777, or you can email them at call7@thedenverchannel.com.